Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to stop the live wallpaper so files aren't locked. First, check the system tray, right-click the wallpaper app and select Exit or Stop. If it's still running, open Task Manager, find the process, and end task. This prevents file locks. Once done, open Task Manager, right arrow Startup, and disable the entry so it won't relaunch. Also create a Windows restore point. Make sure you can undo changes if anything goes wrong. Now uninstall the program properly through Settings, right arrow Apps and Features. Select the Wallpaper app and choose Uninstall. After the uninstall finishes, manually inspect and delete leftover folders in %app data %, %local app data %, and program files or program files, x86. If the app used custom engines like Wallpaper Engine, Rainmeter, or Deskscapes, remove their content folders and presets. Make sure to empty the recycle bin. Otherwise, files remain on disk and may still consume space. Finish by cleaning the registry entries left by the app, open Regedit, export a backup, then remove keys tied to the wallpaper program. This prevents reloading. Next, restart Windows to clear cached resources and ensure services are stopped. Verify the desktop shows a static background and check display settings. If anything goes wrong, reboot into safe mode and repeat file and registry removals. This avoids file locks. One key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.